Hey, Pump House, Mike the Cat Gardener, and it's just a quick DIY video. We'll see if it works. This grill is about 15 years old, and it's been well loved and used, but the inside part is messed up. So I'm gonna see about a repair kit. We'll see if I can get it fixed, get it working again, because it was pretty much being held together by the rust and grime. And you can see this is the little transfer tube, and it broke off. So I'm gonna replace that. Probably, I don't know if I bother replace. Well, if I got new, I might as well replace these, and replace the tubes underneath. It should be pretty easy. They're just held by cotter pins. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it and see how she goes. So we were filming the rabbits in the yard. They decided to pay us a visit. But anyway, enough of them. I want to get my grill going. So I'm going to hand the phone over to my wife, and she can be the camera person for me. Alright, so you can see how 15-year-old grill, it's rusty and almost completely broken apart. This piece is not supposed to flex like that. The little cross brace thing with to unscrew it, but it broke. So definitely it's time to remove all this. So the simple replacement, the way you replace this, you've got these cotter pins, which are dirty, but I'm going to save these because I don't think the kit comes with replacements. But it's just this simple. There, you don't really need any tools other than just the pair of pliers to pull the cotter pins out, which come out really easy. And there's a cotter pin right here for the cross braces. You can see it's just rusted out. Yeah, that needs replacing. That rusted out, so that's. So anyway, these just pull right out, and then I'm gonna try to remove the screw off of here. Hopefully, we'll see. But the cross braces aren't really a big deal. The gas runs through here. You can just brace these two, and it's usually good enough. I'm just gonna pop that, pull that out, and see this is where it goes. My wife had my camera person had a coughing attack, so we paused it for a second. No big deal. But this is just empty tubes, and they just sit. This goes into the hole here onto, there's a nail tube in the bottom, there's a nail tube in the back here, and this is just folded flat and just sits on that. So it's a real simple replacement. This right here is your sparker for your starter, but I haven't used it in years. It's supposed to just pop right off, but you see it's rusted to it, so I'm probably just going to break it off. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish getting this stuff off. I'm going to move these screws, hopefully, and if not, no big deal. And I'll show you when I start doing the reassembly. Alright, so this is the replacement parts, and you can see how nice it is. This kit was even better than I thought it was. It comes with a sparker. This is the sparker that goes to the first tube that sparks this grill. This longer one here runs to the burner over here, which I never use. So I didn't expect it to come with the replacement sparker, so I'm going to try that. It comes with all the cotter pins and extra pieces. It comes with the side braces that run all the way across. It comes with the brand new tops, and they're very thick. They're thicker than my old ones that came with the grill. And then these are the replacement tubes. So I'm just going to start piecing everything back together, and we'll see how it works. It's pretty cool. I'm excited. All right, so it was really simple, straightforward. I didn't realize that I got this kit on Prime Day sale, and it was like 17 bucks or something like that to replace a $350 grill, which is pretty awesome. It's just cotter pins holding everything together. It's real simple. You just take the old ones off, put the new ones on, slide them in. I replaced the sparker, so I'm going to give that a test right now for a quick second, and then I'll finish putting it back together. So I got to turn the gas on. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. So let's see. It's sparking, but it's not coming on. Yeah, I haven't used a sparker in years anyway. So I'm just gonna grab my lighter like I always did. But it was cool that it was included. Hopefully I got it turned the right way. Pretty sure I do. I could have put it on the first one, because that's one I used to turn on first, but you see. So here it's sparking. This gas isn't hitting it. Anyway, I'll be right back. Grab my lighter. Alright, so the sparker on this thing stopped working after like a couple weeks of me owning it, so I always use this. It's like a lightsaber. Yeah, I love it. So, turn these all on. And there we go. It's kind of hard to see because of the light, but you can hear we're all up and roaring. You should be able to see the blue. You can see the blue flame coming off of them. So this is basically a brand new grill. So I'm gonna put the brand new grates on. They're all individually wrapped. So I'm gonna unwrap them, and all they do is they just see if I can get one. Well, turn my gas off because I don't want to waste it. So I'm low and I don't feel like I want to make some burgers. I don't want to go out to have to get some propane. Be right back. All right, so it's got these two slots here, and there's, I don't know if you can see, but there's two slots right here. It's hard to get handy. There's two slots that go right there, and then this just sits on the lip back here. And I just replaced the grates, and I'm ready to grill, which is really cool. So basically, like I said, I've got myself a brand new grill. If I wasn't filming, it would took like 5 minutes. Super simple. And one tip is I'll give is that I bought this on the Prime Day deal, and the 4-burner replacement kit was like 40 bucks. The 5-burner replacement kit was 17 bucks. And all that means is I just got the exact same extra parts for future replacements for half the price. So yeah, I'm very, very pleased with this. These are all spares and it worked beautifully. I had everything I needed, and I even, like I said, even replaced the sparker, which for some weird reason just has never worked on this grill. I don't know if it's the placement of the sparker or what, but yeah, you see the little, I got my little handy dandy handheld one I always use and have for years. But I think I bought a supposed replacement sparker kit, which was wrong, and that was like 20 bucks. I bought that years ago. Like I said, it stopped working like a couple weeks after I bought it. But both of these were included, not just one, both of these were included in the kit for, like I said, that deal was 17 bucks for the 5-burner grill replacement. So I'm gonna go inside. I got some burgers ready to go. I'm gonna get me cooking. All right, I think I might have messed this up. I think I paused and didn't record me doing the right stuff. But anyway, I got everything back in together and working and going. You can see the metal turn black already, which is how it's supposed to be. And then I got some burgers with some my Renaissance Grandma's blessed seasoning on there, salt and pepper. I'm gonna cook me up some burgers. Hope I did it right with the pause. I'm not sure. I think I paused when I was meant to record and recorded when I meant to pause, but that's okay. No biggie. I'm distracted by my squirrels and the bunnies. They're all like looking for attention. All right, get those going. Might grab some steaks inside, throw a couple on the grill too. Since I got it working and going again. I'm gonna clean it off, get some soapy washcloth and a clean washcloth with water and a dry one, and get this all cleaned up from the mess I made. But yeah, I'm really excited. Be right back. Hopefully I'm pausing right. Right, clean up my grill a little bit. Do a better job when I was just hungry. I want to get cooking. There's still a little schmutz along here, but I'll get that cleaned off. See, put some beef on the grill. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. These I just put on, so they're probably not even ready to cook yet. How small it is a little bit, but I like to do the crosshatch. Some fancy. I'll give everybody a quarter turn. And because my wife likes her burgers well done, I'll put hers toward the back and let them slow cook while I'm cooking the beef, and then the thicker ones I'll keep rare and I'll pull out. Since I've cooked everything, I'll give everything seasoned. A little salt. Keep it real simple. So much taste this. It's supposed to be a good premium quality. It's supposed to be a ground like prime rib or something like that. Something fancy. But it was on sale, so I'm put some of my Renaissance Grandma's seasoning on everything. The hot cha-cha. It's got it's her blessed seasoning. It's got the hot seasoning in there, so you don't like my stuff hot and spicy. I'll let it cook. You know, the old grill saying, if you're looking, you ain't cooking. All right. I'll be back when it's done. All right, so the burgers are done. Cook let's cut up a chuck roast into steak-sized pieces. Because I'm broke. Can't afford those prime cuts of steak anymore. But it's just as delicious on the grill. You cook it right. Don't tell anybody, otherwise they're already raising the price of it. Got it on sale. But yeah. So that is the easy, quick replacement of the grill parts that were inside. It took literally 5 minutes if I wasn't filming. It's pretty much self-explanatory. And it was pretty cool. It was a really good bargain. I'm going to repeat myself here because I think I paused when I was recording this, is that I got it on a Prime Day sale for the cost of $17, which was the cost of the wrong sparker that I bought. But it's an awesome deal. So to fix a $350 plus grill, depends on whether it's on sale, for $17 is an awesome deal. Anybody can do it. Burgers and steak.